I know that this doesn't even need to be said, but man, what a weird year. If there's one thing this year has shown us, it's that change is inevitable. Many of us have lost jobs, or those jobs have changed significantly. Our habits have changed, and our hobbies and what we do in our free time has changed. Everything is different. I was recently thinking back on when I was first deciding to move out of my house and into this van, and it felt like this pretty big, scary leap. I was definitely nervous about it until I had a conversation with a friend where she basically said, if you move into a van and you don't like it, how hard would it be to just sell it and move back into an apartment? And that gave me a lot of comfort in helping me realize it wouldn't be that hard to go back to what I was doing in the first place. But if I would have never even tried, never even taken that first step towards something that I thought I wanted, I'd probably always wonder what I was missing out on. Got two vans in the CRV up here. Last section got a little sketchy. It was basically just a steep road straight up a ridge line, but we made it. It's also 1,000,000 degrees out. And I definitely had the same feeling when I was considering quitting my job and becoming fully self-employed. It felt like this big scary leap, but as long as you leave your job on good terms, most of the time it's not going to be that hard to go back to the job that you were doing in the first place. And on top of that, we've told ourselves that 9-to-5 jobs are stable and secure, but I think this year has really shown us that the stability of those 9-to-5 jobs is really only perceived. Any stability is really perceived because anything can change at any moment. Now, I don't say this to say that a steady 9-to-5 job is bad. If anything, the last couple years have really shown me a lot of the advantages and upsides to having a typical 9-to-5 job. But I think this year especially has shown us that even those 9-to-5 jobs that feel stable can be taken away at any moment. So if there's a change you want to make or something new you want to chase after, why not go for it? If there's something that you know you want to chase after, a change that you want to make, or a leap that you want to take, why not be the one to make that change in your own life instead of waiting around until a change happens? Because either way, change is going to happen.